Good morning, students. I am Swati from Oxford High School, Uppugundur. Okay, before class, properties also explained. Okay, today we have to discuss do this. Okay, do this. Do this. Verify the following. Verify the following. First one, 5 into 6 into 2 is equal to 5 into 6 into 2. Verify the following means this property belongs to which property, ma? This property belongs to which property? Associative property under multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay? Associative property under multiplication. Is satisfied or not? Verify the following. Okay? First we have to choose LHS. LHS 5 into 6 into 2, that is equal to 5 6 are 30 into 2, that is equal to 32 ja 60. And RHS 5 into 6 into 2, that is equal to 5 into 6 2 ja 12. 5 12 ja 60. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Associative property is satisfied in multiplication. Okay? Next, second problem. 3 into 7 into 5 is equal to 3 into 7 into 5. Okay? Same order. Verify the following. LHS value, we take LHS value 3 into 7 into 5, that is equal to 3 7 ja 21 into 5, that is equal to 21 5 ja 105. Okay, next RHS value 3 into 7 into 5, that is equal to 3 into 7 5 ja 35, that is equal to 105. LHS equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. 105 is equal to 105. Associative property is satisfying multiplication. Okay? Do this. 2 problems over. And example 1. Okay, do these 2 problems over, ma. Example 1. Example 1. Find 196 plus 57 plus 4. Okay? Okay? Find another. Then 2 properties used to it. Commutative property and associative property. 2 properties used to it. For example, 196 plus 57 plus 4. Okay? Solution, ma. The given problem A plus B. Okay? These 2 numbers, 1 number. A plus B. Okay? B value what, ma? 57 plus 4. Okay? A plus and 196 plus 4 plus 57. This is commutative property. Commutative property. Next, associative property means 196 plus 4 plus 57. A plus B plus C. This is associative. Okay. Okay. These are answer. 196 plus 4, 200 plus 57. That is equal to 257. Okay. Here use a combination. These are combination used to commutative and associative property. You think do you think using the commutative and associative property made the calculation eraser? Okay. These numbers used commutative property and associative property, ma'am. You also take any example, we take substitute that. Okay, this type of commutative and associative property. Okay na? Example 1 over. Next example 2. Next second example. Find 5 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Find. Okay. Solution. Five into 9 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That is equal to 5 into 2 into 9 into 2 into 5 into 3. This is a commutative property. That is equal to 5 into 2 into 9 into 2 into 5 into 3. Associative property. That is equal to 5 2 ja 10 into 9 into 5 2 5 ja 10 into 3. 10 9 ja 90 into 10 3 ja 30. That is equal to, already multiplications zeros, this side means zeros. 9 3 ja 27. Okay, example 1 and example 2 over. Example 1 and example 2 over. Do this. Use the commutative and associative property. Use the commutative and associative properties of simplify the following. simplify the following. First one, 390 plus 69 plus 81. Okay. This is using to commutative and associative property. Okay. Do this first one. 390 plus 69 plus 81. This is a commutative property. That is equal to 390 plus 81 plus 69. Commutative property. That is equal to 319 plus 81 plus 69. This is associative property. Plus 81, 319 plus 81, 10, 10, 400. 400 plus 69. That is equal to 469. Okay. Second one. Are you understand? This type of problem, example 1 before before example 1 is the same type of problem. Okay na? Do this first one, second one. 431 plus 37 plus 69 plus 63. That is equal to 431 plus 69 plus 37 plus 63. This is commutative. Commutative property. $69 This is associative. These are 537 plus 63. That is equal to 600. Plus 37. Sorry, 537 plus 63 is equal to 600. Okay. Example 1, 2 based. Do this first one and second one. Okay. Remaining 2 problems is there. You will try. Okay. Third problem. Third problem. 2 into 71 into 5. Fourth problem. 50 into 17 into 2. These two problems are multiplication. Okay. Try your level best. Same model. Before example 1, example 2 and do this first one, second one model. Okay na? You will try ma. Next class I will explain. Okay. This is today. Thank you.